Here's a video of this Sunbeam 9-inch Blizzard table fan. This is in the same room, the second bedroom I like to call it, as the big bedroom. This is in the same room as the Litex Vortex. This one is, I know another person who I watch, Fans vs. Gaming, which I think he'll probably see this video because he's subscribed to me, has one of these in blue color. I didn't know these came in different colors, but I guess they did. There's the label. Made in China, of course. If I had to guess, this would have been made in like the 2000s. Around there, like the 2000s decade. Like maybe like 2005, 2006, 2007. This was at my grandma's condo for the longest time. Not the one that I filmed the ceiling fans at her condo recently. That's my other grandma. Should I say the nicknames? I call the one that I recorded those fans at Grammy. This isn't, this is just nicknames that I give them, and I've just called them that, not their real names. And then the place where, and then this one came from my grandma Jay's condo. And also, fun fact, that light over the table also came out of grandma Jay's condo. Because it was installed over a dining room table. And then she put a fan there, a ceiling fan. I hit my head on this bunk bed. This is 2 speeds, like the, well, all the portable fans except for the black unknown. Oh, I forgot about that one. I don't really want to drag that one out. So if it gets dragged out, then I'll make a video of it, but I don't feel like dragging it out just to make a video of it. This fan is dusty. It is 2 speeds, so we'll start it out on low. Yeah, that's low. That's good air. And here is high. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later with the next video. Bye. I noticed that I just do different outros for different videos. Sometimes I do the one I just did. Sometimes I do thanks for watching, bye. And sometimes I don't know. Or sometimes I just abrupt the video with no outro or anything. Anyway, bye.